morning to one and all. Today I am going to explain under the topic logarithms. The syllabus is SSC, exercise number 1.5 to question number. It has 5 sums in it. In that 5 sums, I am going to explain question number 3 and question number 5. Rest of 3 I am going to give to you target. Now, once you observe the question is write the following expressions. Here some expressions are given. These expressions we have to convert as log n form and find their values. So here I am going to explain question number 3. The question is 3 log 4 base 64 is there. This question answer I am going to do over here. So once you observe, so solution part starts here only. So what is given over here? Question number 3, solution. Here given 3 log 4 base 64 is given. So this one I am going to write in the form log 4 cube base 64. So nothing is there. This 3 I am going to write to the power of 4. So by using the formula, we have one formula over here. The formula is power rule. What is the power rule over here? Log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. So when we are observing question and this power rule, it is in the form of RHS. When we are observing RHS form, here n value is 3, log, instead of x 4 is there, instead of a 64 is there. So this RHS form I wrote as LHS form. So here the LHS form of 3 log 4 64 is log 4 cube base 64. So here when we are observing 4 cube is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 is what? 16. 16 into 4 is what? 64. So instead of 4 cube, I am going to substitute the value 64. So log 64 base 64 I am going to write over here. So whenever we have the same values over here, this one we can write it as log 64 by log 64. So by cancellating this one, we can write it as 1. So therefore 3 log 4 base 64 is equal to 1. So the answer is what? 1. Or we can write or over here. So log 64 base 64 value is directly 1, since we have one formula log a base a is equal to 1. By using this formula log 64 base 64 value 1 or like this, we can do in 2 methods. So I am going to explain for the question number 5. So what is question number 5 over here? Given part I am going to write over here. Solution starts here only, given. What is given over here? Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So after writing this one, what should we do this logarithm expression? We have to convert as log n form, a single term. So we can write like this also. Now to convert into log n form. So that means what? That means what? Single logarithmic form. So for changing this, first step I am going to take like this: log 10 plus this 2 I am going to write it as a power of 3. So log 3 square minus log 2. So since we have a power rule already I wrote over here. So like that, log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. By using this formula, I wrote in the form of square. So I am going to write again log 10 plus log 3 square. 3 square is nothing but what? 9. 3 3 is a 9 minus log 2. So after that, in this expression I am going to take first two terms. When we are observing this one, it is in the form of log a plus log b. We have product rule. What is that product rule over here? This log 10 into 9 formation I am going to write over here. So log 2. How did I write this? Since we have one formula, product rule under logarithms. What is product rule? Log a plus log b is equal to log ab. So instead of ab we can take mn values also, no problem at all. So by using this formula I am going to multiply 10 into 9, 90 we got. So after getting log 90 minus log 2, by seeing this we have to get one idea. What is that idea? It is in the form of log a minus log b. What is log a minus log b? Log a by b, log 90 by 2. So since which formula I used over here? When we are observing this one, quotient rule we have to remember. Quotient rule. What is quotient rule over here? Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. So here we can cancel over here, 2 ones are 2 45s are. So if you write log 45, that is the answer, and also here find their values is there. If you keep like this also, you can get the marks. So otherwise you have to follow the logarithmic table. Okay, thank you.